I just want to say thank you so much to every single person in this room. My journey would not have been the same without any of you in it, and you've all made it very special. I want to say a special thank you to Dr. Guest. He's my personal case doctor, and he has taught me so much, as all of the case doctors have here. It's just been an amazing, wonderful experience, and you've all touched my life in so many ways, and I'm so excited for where the future leads.
I just want to thank everyone here as well, and especially people standing next to me. I wouldn't be here without them, or I wouldn't have gotten this far without them. To the front desk, thank you for all that you do for keeping the clinic running. To all the case doctors, all the professors, thank you for all your help. Dr. Guest, for all the words of encouragement. I mean, maybe one day I'll adjust better than I throw, but.
Yes, so just like what everyone else has said, thank you so much for everything. Sherman has given me so much. I have grown 1,000% since I started here. This journey could have not been possible without the angel of my life, Camille Coffey, who I met on my birthday in 2020 and inadvertently gave me chiropractic as the most amazing birthday gift that anyone could have ever imagined. She encouraged me to be here. That is why I'm here today. I started this journey on 26 medications with an umbrella because I had a sun allergy. And today I'm on nothing and fully embracing the sun. So.
Well, thank you everybody for being here today. Couldn't picture myself being here a couple years ago. But first, wanted to thank the front desk staff, even Caroline, wherever she is, for dealing with all the craziness of the patients, to the best case doctors I could have been blessed with. Sorry, I'm gonna try to hold it back. I believe everything happens for a reason. I fell back a couple quarters, but I truly believe that I've been blessed with the best, with Dr. Guest and Dr. Sussman, and thank you for taking me under your wing with everything that I am.
Okay, well, I'm gonna try not to cry because that was a lot. I was saying, the people next to me, with their stories and how beautiful they are, they impacted me as well, especially my classmates. I want to shout out my intern Luke, wherever he may be. Thanks for giving me the care that I needed and just dealing with my rant. The front desk people, thank you for responding to my emails, all of them, even when they were extremely annoying. To my case doctor, Dr. Sussman, I'm going to try not to look at you because I'm going to bawl my eyes out. But thank you for just your love and support, and I promise I'm a better speller now because of you. Thank you all for supporting all of my friends and me throughout this. We're ready. Let's go adjust the world.